Hello S2 and welcome to your next lesson in our crime unit modern series, which is looking at what causes people to commit crime. So in your jotter, if you want to take a new heading for today, which is what causes people to commit crime, or if you're typing this up on a Word document, if you want to type up what causes people to commit crime. Now, what we're aiming to do today, we're looking to explore the reasons why people actually commit crime. We're looking to sort these reasons into categories, so categorise the reasons people commit crime, and to apply this reasoning to case studies. So we're going to look at some case studies of why people commit crime as well. Now, to start with, your task, what I'd like you to try and do is to make a list of as many reasons as you can think of as to why people might commit a crime. So, in the middle of your jotter, or if you're typing this up, just as a subheading if you want to, write why do people commit crime, and then try and list as many reasons you can about why people might commit a crime. So you want to pause the video at this point and write down as many as you can. So, some of the points you could have had as to why people commit crime. We've got lack of education, lack of parental guidance, an adrenaline rush, if they feel that committing a crime gives them a bit of an adrenaline rush, sense of achievement gained by acquiring possession, so for example stealing things, if they're unemployed, if they've got poor role models, if they're quite ignorant to the law, if people are bored they might commit crime, if people are in poverty that links closely to unemployment, they might do it for money, to get revenge on society if they feel society has done them wrong, if there's rivalry between gangs, living in an uncared for environment, influence of the media might cause them to commit a crime, so for example playing a video game might make them want to go out and commit a crime, self-defence, an addiction, if they're pressured into committing a crime, if there's an opportunity to commit a crime, if they're immoral or evil, if they have a mental illness that might commit a crime, greed and selfishness, religion, passion, or advertising of glamorous products and lifestyles. All these reasons and more can be reasons why people commit crime. So you're just looking to note down some reasons in your jotter or type up on your Word document. So that's us now looked at the first time today, which is to explore the reasons why people commit crime. Now what we're going to look to do is to sort these reasons into categories. So why do people commit crime? Now people commit crime for many reasons. Now these reasons can actually be put into the following categories. So we've got psychological reasons, social reasons, and environmental reasons. Now what you're looking to do is to read the information about each category, and on your table I've drawn the outline here. You're looking to complete your outline with examples. So you'll see that it says give examples of what causes people to commit crimes within each appropriate section. So you could sketch this human body in your jotter, and you could have environmental one side, social the other side, and then human reasons, psychological in the middle. Now what you're looking to do is to read the handout, and for environmental to make some notes, for social to make some notes, for psychological to make some notes. So this is categorising the reasons why people commit crime. Now these are the handouts that you're looking to use. Okay, I've uploaded these via Teams. So you've got social reasons, environmental reasons, and psychological reasons. So you're just looking to use these handouts to try and note down some social reasons, some environmental reasons, and some psychological reasons. You're not being asked to write down every single part, just a couple of points for each. So it might look something like this. So we've got environmental here, so people need money to survive, so commit crime. We've got a social reason there, so the adrenaline rush. So that's what you'd be looking to have in your jotter. Obviously if you're doing this in a Word document, you can just type this up. So you're looking to categorise the reasons why people commit crime in each section. Okay, that's what you're aiming to do there. Again, just a couple of reasons for each would be fine. Okay, so our second aim today to sort these reasons into categories, so we should have now done that through that activity there. So what we're going to do next is to apply this reasoning to case studies. Now what we're going to do is look at each of the case studies and read the information on each person. Now there can be more than one reason as to why people commit a crime. What you're looking to do is to note down the reasons from each case study. So you have 5 case studies in total, so you've got here reasons people commit crime. So case study 1, so try and note down from case study 1 what was the reason that person may commit the crime. Case study 2, case study 3, case study 4, and case study 5. So you're just looking to note down some of the reasons people might commit crime based on each case study. Okay, so our last aim today was to apply this reasoning to case studies, so we should have now done that. Okay, so to finish today, what we're looking to do is to complete a past paper question. So we have here, explain in detail 2 reasons why some people commit crime. 6 marks. So remember, to answer this question, we use point, explain, example. Now for 1 point, explain, example paragraph, that gets you 3 marks. You're looking to do 2 of these. So explain in detail 2 reasons why some people commit crime. So I've done the first point for you. So we've got here, 1 reason people commit crime is due to unemployment. This is because people will need to try and steal to make money to meet their needs. For example, crime rates are higher amongst the unemployed as they need to commit crime to survive. So that's the first point done for you. So you just need to add another point in. So another reason people commit crime is, so try and give another reason, this is because, and then try and give an example. So think about what we discussed at the start in terms of why people commit crime. Use your case studies, use your categorisation of the reasons people commit crime to help you to complete the other paragraph. Okay, so make sure you write the first one down your jotter. So 1 reason people commit crime is due to unemployment. This is because people need to try and steal to make money to meet their needs. For example, crime rates are higher amongst the unemployed as they need to commit crime to survive. So have that paragraph in your jotter, then try and add a second paragraph there to help you to get the 6 marks. Okay, so over to you. What you're looking to upload via Teams from this lesson is a list of reasons people commit crime. These reasons split into categories. Case studies, so try and note down some of the reasons people commit crime based on the case studies, and then your answer to the explained question at the end there. If you have any issues about anything discussed in this lesson, or you've got any questions, then please just let your teacher know. Thank you very much.